Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer files from Android to iPhone. Let's get started. First, download and install ShareIt app on both your Android and iPhone. You can find it for free on the Google Play Store and App Store. Once installed, open ShareIt on both devices. On your Android phone, tap Send. Then select the files you want to transfer like photos, videos, or documents. On your iPhone, open ShareIt and tap Receive. Now, make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or use the QR code shown on your iPhone to connect. After connecting, your Android phone will detect your iPhone. Tap on it to start sending. Wait until the transfer is complete. Your files will appear instantly on your iPhone. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.